massive. Okay, how do I, I'm gonna do this one. Just again, don't move too much from me, please. Again, you got the angle, this bad boy here. But you know, do you know where I live? No. Yeah, so you know the building next to the, in the middle next to the, do you know where the Christmas tree is? Usually?
Yes.
In that there. So I'm facing the Christmas tree. I'm in that building, facing the Christmas, not the new build. And I'm in the corner, and I face, when the Christmas tree's there, I face directly at the Christmas tree. And I'm on the ground floor, so if you walk past and you see my kids, I'm never out there, but my kids, that's where I live. And obviously they're Asian looking, so you know that's, and they're crazy, so you know that's my kids, and that's me. And if you hear me yelling, that's me. If you hear me arguing with my husband at 3 a.m., that's me. Usually it's not, it's usually when the kids are asleep, that's me. 8 to 9. 8 to 9. I think we're good. File, please. That's beautiful. Look at that, nice and smooth. Ooh la la.